Welcome dear Dinka learners. How are you doing all? Our topic today is basic Dinka English presentation. So let's continue. 1. What's up? What's up in Dinka is like Kudwal, or you can say Loidi, and I will be telling you more. Open jam, open jadid. 2. How are you? In Dinka, she back. How are you? Long time no see. In Dinka, kam barich kayi catching. Long time no see. Where are you? In Dinka, yin ayo. You can also say yin ako. You can also say yin tau tano, or yin tau tano, yinayo. I'm on my way. And chat queer ka abo, or you can say anto dilich. I am on my way mean anto dilich ka abo ka chat. Text me mean gadi a or gadi an. Number 7. Wait for me in Dinka is very simple. Tit a or tit an. This one is supposed to be this a. Let us change it, guys. Change it here. Okay, sorry. Okay, tita. This is supposed to be a. Tita. It's not h. That is funny. Ekene coach knock doll. That is funny. Eken kochola dal. That is funny. Let's go. Jelku or lok jelku. Let's go. Lok jelku. See you later in Dinka in bayok kam batwing, or you say in bayok la, or ok abayok la. Call me is very simple. Chol a or chol an. You can say yop an telephone. Call me. Chol an, yop a telephone. Come with me. Bar ke a, come with me. Bar ke an or bar ke a. A mean an, which mean me. Come with me. Me mean a or an. Let's eat. Let's eat in Dinka is like mitku, mitku or chemku, chemku or mitku, mitku, mitku or chemku is the same. Let us eat. Let us eat or let's eat. Ogabecham. You can say like that also. I miss you. I miss you. In Dinga yin chadak pay. Yin chadak apay. Chadak means like you are not seeing the person. Yeah, for a long time. Yin chadak. That is cool. In Dinka ekipiat. 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 Piat. Piat mean cold. Cold mean good. So that is good. That is cold mean that is good. And in Dinka ekipiat or ekipat. No problem. No problem in Dinka. Krach aliu. Ki rach aliu. Aliu mean is like absent. Absent. Not there. Krach mean problem. This problem mean krach. Krajrach. Krajrach means something that is very, very bad. Krach aliu. No problem. There is no problem. Achin krach. You can hear someone greeting you. How are you? Sechol. Sechol. Kayipol. Then you hear someone saying krach aliu. But there is no problem. We are all fine. Yeah, Dinka is very funny, but it's good. It's amazing. Of course. Of course. Of course means age. Age. Age mean is like you agree age is something that is true. Of course it should be etade. Of course that is right. Etade. Age. Sound good. It sound good. Sound good mean it should be like it sound good mean, or sound good is like a jampiat. A jampiat. A jampiat. So someone tell you good news and yeah, say sound good, which mean a jampiat. Good news. A jampiat. Nyali cake wake mean God with you. Knowledge cake wake God with you. Knowledge mean God cake wake with you. Wake mean you, plural. Yenakan the end. Thank you for watching the video. Please do me a favor by going to Facebook page which is written Dinka Malwal Academy. Go there, please follow the page, like the page, share the video, comment there, let me know where you are watching the video from, and also make a review. It's very important you make a review to our page. And also go to YouTube. The name of our YouTube is the same name, Dinka Malwal Academy. Please subscribe there and comment there in YouTube. And I'm William, Dinka English translation. That is the end. Dornali Kawek Kuyane. Bye bye for now. Stay blessed, guys.